Yo, what's up guys, this is AJ again, back at it, and today we're going to be doing product research. So let's just stop all the BS and let's get into it. So because all I want to do is show you guys how to do product research, manual product research, going to the wholesalers website, going to one of the categories, one by one checking the products, what sells, what not. It's one of the most hectic process, but you can find gems in there, because sometimes even softwares miss out on some products. I've seen it personally myself. Jungle Scar, Helium, whatever product whatever software you use, they do miss out on some of the products. So let's get on with it and not talk too much. I hope you guys can see my screen properly, hopefully. Let me check if you can. Yep, you guys can. So what we're going to do is, this is one of the websites, EFG Housewares. If you're on my Discord server on the paid side, you probably know this website already. So this website does Super Sunday offers. So every Sunday they have offers on. So we're going to be doing easy method today. So this is one of the few videos in the series. One of the easiest method is just going to the Super Sunday offer. Sometimes you can find gems in there, sometimes you can't. So it just depends on your luck, innit? But if everyone's gonna jump in there and start doing product research like that, and if you find something, about 50 other people are gonna find the same thing. But the thing with that is, you got to judge properly. If your judgment is right, one of the person is gonna buy 1,000 items of the same product. The other person is gonna buy 10. The other person is gonna buy 20. The other person is gonna buy 50. Person with the most items is gonna win. They're gonna sell it for a longer period of time. So that's all it is, if you're gonna go based off of this side of the website. So this one sold out, so let's not even look at that. It's sold out because it probably sells. Let's just be honest. I'm not looking at air fryer because I think I've checked it before. It doesn't sell. Let's check this. 913, it was 599. They're exaggerating the price, by the way. It wasn't 913. It says the right price here. It was 671. Now it's 599. They just exaggerated the price. What we're going to do is just copy and paste the title right here. Hope you guys can't see any of my personal stuff. So let's just go in there. Well, this is in the account I sell on anyways, but still. So what brand is it? Geepers, whatever it's called. It's gonna be a long video, I think, this one, but we're just gonna find two products or one product and just show you guys how it works. I don't need to find products to show you guys that you can find product this way. I find products this way, you guys can as well. This is one of the ones here. Yep, it's the same one. 11382. Yeah, 7-speed function. I think it is this one. Sorry by that, I'm recording on my laptop, so it might be a bit slow. C7 speed turbo. Well, it looks the same anyway, so but sometimes they have different variants and stuff. So this software right here, this is the one. I hope you can see my mouse cursor. This right one is called Asin Zen, and I'm using trial version of it. You guys can just buy as a lot of trials and see. So because this product has variants, I'm gonna check which variant actually sells, because you can't just guess which sells, innit? I'm pretty sure black one is the one that sells, but let's just check anyways. Let's see how good my judgment was. No, it's not the black one. So the one with the most reviews is the one that sells a lot. 111 reviews. White one. So white one sells a lot. We don't have white one, so but let's check the sales anyways. Let's check the sales for loss. It's a product. I don't want to say that word because we're on YouTube, but yeah, you get it in it. That's not one of the good products. Leave that out. Just do quick. If it doesn't make sense, it doesn't make sense, innit? Just keep a standard. As simple as that. Just see if it matches your whatever you're trying to do, innit? Your profit margin, your ROI, everything. How many sales it does a month, everything. You just gotta check all of that. Get the title of this product, put in there. Easy. There's one more method you can use like this, but with Jungle Scout. Like, I'll show you guys in the next video. Let's not get distracted from here. It's one of the good methods as well. So I see it right here, pack of 2. I think it's the same one, 2 liter. Yeah, 2 liter clearly doesn't sell. 9 reviews, no point in even checking it. This different website, I mean different brand. Glass bowl 2 liter. I see it. On this listing it sells, but let's see who's selling it. Maybe Amazon's on it, maybe not. Maybe there's not enough proper. It says 796. I didn't even see the price. 268. Not sure if it's gonna make us enough money, but we're checking. Let's just check. This laptop is just a bit slow, so you guys are gonna have to wait for a bit. I'm really sorry. I couldn't record on PC because then I'll have to, because the PC is on this side, then I have to basically change all of the setup and set up camera on different sides. So, but let's just get on with it. It's gonna load. Gonna take a while. Straight up from the jump, we can see sales here. It's gonna load up a bit. Let's give it a bit. So for the August, it did 110. Not bad. I don't think there's a lot of sellers on it, so that's why. Oh, 11.99 in FBA. I see. So 7.96 like that. There is no one in FBA actually. 7.96. So this one I don't count it as Prime because there's a different method that they are shipping with, but the inventory is not in the Amazon's warehouse. That's what I can say. It's a long story, but let's just not count that. So this one's selling 11.99. It counts. 11.99 FBA, 7.96 FBM. We are looking for FBA, so I mean you can sell it on FBM as well, up to you. 268 plus VAT. Let's check it. 68. That's what we're getting. I'm not even sure if this product has VAT because it's a glass bowl. You need it, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna have a VAT. So let's cut this off. Not everyone is VAT registered, so let's just cut that off. Let's just see our cost of shipping and dispatching is 20p because it's a glass product. It's likely going to be more than 20p, but we're just gonna count it as 20p. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. Straight up, I found a product. Straight up. Is it the same one? Pretty sure it is same. Mixing bowl. Is it glass one though? I'm not sure if it's glass one. It is glass one though. It can't be. Yeah. Classic. Glass one. Yeah, classic mixing bowl. Yeah. See, straight up. I don't know how long we have been into this video. I'm not sure how long we have been into this video, but literally, I think 7 minutes. One product. Well, sometimes you can't find a product for 2 hours. Sometimes you can't find product for. Sometimes you can find product in 2 hours. Sometimes you can find product in 5 minutes. That's just how it works. That's just the game, innit? Now I think it was 7.96. So if you want to sell it via FBA as well, 7.96. You can dispatch it at around 2.95. That's the rates I get from my Hermes courier. So 18% via FBM, 98% via ROI via FBA. So see, straight up we found a product. 7 minutes. You know how crazy that is. Now on average you can find, let's exaggerate it. Let's just say in half an hour you can find one product. If you do that for 6 hours every day, how many products can you find? 12 products, 6 hours. You know how mad that is? That's crazy. Sometimes you can find products but you can't find wholesalers. Then the best bet is checking the brand. There's usually a number you can find for the brand. Call them, ask them for distributors. That's one of the ways you can get to the wholesalers. Another way, just Google the brand and add wholesalers in front of it. Find wholesalers, check their prices. If it works, it works. Then another method, wholesalers, then UK. Add all of that, do all of that. It's not hard, trust me, it's not hard. See, it's selling 110 a month. And how many sellers FBA? Oh, there's only one FBA seller. That's crazy. Look at the money you can make. Obviously it's a glass item, so you're gonna get a lot of returns and stuff in this, but just showing you what you can do with it, innit? It's a glass item, so if you want to do it, wrap it up properly so you don't get any returns and stuff, because I think Amazon's gonna wrap it up anyways for you once more. But let's just increase this to 50p. 100% it's not going to be 50p, not for me at least, for packaging, because I can get cheaper packaging. Also, if you guys want cheaper packaging, just let me know. Cheaper than wholesale, cash and carries, kite packaging, any of them, just let me know. So see 284, even 50, even if you type at £1, you still get profit. So you get the idea. That's how you do. This is one of the ways. Just going to the Super Sunday offers, checking every day. There's multiple websites. I know at least 10-15 wholesaler websites. Now obviously I'm not going to tell all of you all of the websites for free. That's not happening. You can join the Discord server and find it out for yourself. But now another way is going by shop by department. There's thousands of products. One of my favorite departments is gardening, households. All of them work, but yeah, just go to bathroom. Let me just go to bathroom. I can guarantee you right now, let's just close this page. We found one of the products from there. Now I can guarantee you, you can find at least like, you can find so many products that can make you that can actually replace your job. That's all I'm gonna say from this category. So just do your due diligence, do your research, use softwares. You can't go wrong with it if you're using softwares. What's the worst gonna happen? Amazon's gonna jump on it. What's the worst gonna happen? The rating's gonna fall. So let's see, it's BSR. We didn't check that. So let's see the BSR. 38 in tableware mixing bowls. That's pretty good. Now if we go, I'm using BuyBot Pro as well. So if we go here, go to 180. See, look at the sales. They're all red. In 180 days, it's been selling that much. That means it's not, most likely not going to slow down. Let's see if Amazon's been on it. No, Amazon's not been on it. FBA price, it was $8.95 before. So we got to be wary of that though, because it was $8.94. Actually, it might be counting the one. That's not actually, yeah, it's counting that one. Because that one's not actually $8.95, but it says but it doesn't count as Prime. That's what I'm going to say. I don't usually count that. So yeah, it's pretty good. Price is calm as well, stable, all good. Clearly can make a lot of profit. If you can, probably go to the wholesalers, talk to them. If you got money, I wouldn't recommend you this if you haven't got much money to start off with. Go to them, tell them you want a pallet of it. What can they offer you? What discount can they offer you? Even if you go after Super Sunday offers, ask them that. They'll most likely give you some type of discount. If you're buying from them regularly and everything, they'll 100% give you offers. They'll 100% give you discounts. So good luck with it. One of the next videos will be me showing you how to do product research in another way. I know at least 5-6 types of ways to do product research, like literally go deep in it. Do you understand what I'm saying? So yeah, this is just one of those days. Do what you have to do, find products. Good luck to you guys, and hopefully you guys achieve success as well. Make sure you follow me on all of the platforms, Instagram, TikTok. Join the Discord server. There's also a link in my bio where you can tap that link and actually create a business account and a company for free, because you'll need that for wholesalers and for obviously Amazon, to sell on Amazon, all for free. You won't have to pay the £12 fee that you have to pay to open a new company. Bank account and a company for free. Tide is gonna pay for you. It's affiliate link. I might make some money off of it, but I would appreciate that, because that's just gonna keep me making these videos. So really appreciate every single one of you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you guys will enjoy the whole series. Thank you so much. Good night, take care, bye bye, good morning, good evening. I don't know what time you're watching it at, but goodbye.